Hi everyone and welcome back to my class. In this video I will cover class 6 maths basics geometrical ideas. Chapter number 4 exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Classify the following curves as open or closed curve. Now you know what is open, isn't it? So any figure where their two endpoint is not joined, that will be what? Open. Now first one is what? Jet. This will be what? Open figure, isn't it? And second one will be what? Closed, because here all the end point is joined. Now here also this end point and this end point is not joined together, so this will be open curve, and D is also closed curve and E is also closed curve. This is very simple. Which will be open means from where you have way to get inside and way to go outside. In the easy way you can see like that. So here if you will get inside, and if it is closed bar you cannot go outside, isn't it? So it is closed bar. And now next one, question number 2. Draw rough diagram to illustrate the following. Okay, you can draw any rough to illustrate the following. Open curve and B is closed curve. So the answer is, so you can see the answer here. When you will draw open curve, these are open curve. You can see, you can draw any figure, okay, that will be what? Open, which will be open. Now closed curve, this any symbol where end point is joined together, these are what? Closed curve. These are, you can draw any figure according to you. You can give only 2 example, okay. I have given here 4 example, but in your notebook if you will give 2 example, that will be enough for you. Now come to next question number 3. Now question number 3. Draw any polygon and set its interior. Now we know polygon. Polygon means what? Any shape or size where we use only straight line. Okay, where we use only straight line is called polygon. So you have to draw any figure with a straight line and you have to set the interior. Okay, I will show you the answer. So this you can see what I have drawn, polygon A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is the polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, isn't it? And here I have set it the inside figure. You can draw any figure, okay. You can draw a square, you can draw, but it should be what? Polygon means you have to use only straight line. So it is very simple. Now come to question number 4. Now question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. This is the given figure, isn't it? You can see the figure. Is it a curve? Yes, this is curve, isn't it? This is curve because it is not intersecting each other. This is curve. Now is it closed? Now is it closed? It is open, isn't it? Because I will show you, when you will get in from here, then you can get out also, isn't it? So this is what? This is not closed. So this answer will be what? This will be yes and this will be no, isn't it? Second one will be no. Now question number 5. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. Now a closed curve, that is not a polygon. Now you have to draw a closed curve, that is not a polygon. So you can draw any closed curve, isn't it, which is not a polygon. Polygon means you will not use a straight line. Now B, an open curve made up entirely of line segment. Now you have to draw an open curve. Open curve means what? It will be open but made up of entirely a line segment. So it will be only use of line segment like this, but it should be what? Open. You can draw any figure, that is up to you. Now C, a polygon with 2 sides. Now you have to draw a polygon with 2 sides. Polygon means what? You will use only what? You will use only straight line. This is one polygon and this is another polygon. Now is it is possible to draw a polygon with 2 sides? No, isn't it? Because polygon should be a close. If it is not close, then it is not a polygon. It will be what? Curve. Okay, to make it polygon it should be close, but with two side. With two side it is not possible to draw a polygon. So C will be what? It is not possible. Okay, you will write not possible. So question number 5 is your homework. So I have already explained you need to draw with the use of pencil in your notebook. So thank you all of you for watching my video. In my next video I will come with the next exercise. See you soon. Bye bye.